Today I'm giving my front porch a much needed refresh, using just a few affordable supplies from Lowe's. The paint on this porch has seen better days, with peeling spots, fading color, and plenty of wear from Louisiana weather. As many of you know, I live with heart disease, so projects like this require a little extra planning. If you're dealing with chronic illness, a heart condition, or just don't have the energy you used to, I hope this video shows you that you can tackle projects around your home just at your own pace. The first step is cleaning the porch thoroughly. Before applying any new paint, I need to remove dirt, mildew, pollen, and loose debris. I'm using this Valspar fast-acting deck cleaner, which is designed for wood, concrete, and composite surfaces. One thing I always recommend is reading the instructions on the label before starting. Safety glasses and gloves are a good idea whenever you're working with cleaning products. Before spraying or applying the cleaner, I took a few minutes to prepare my plants. Many cleaning products can damage flowers, herbs, and landscaping if they come into direct contact with them. I lightly watered my plants first and moved any potted plants and hanging baskets away from the work area. For plants that couldn't be moved, I covered them temporarily to keep the cleaner off the leaves. I also watered them extra well before cleaning. Next, I applied the deck cleaner across the porch surface. With my heart condition, I have learned that slow and steady is much better than trying to finish everything in one push. The cleaner needs time to work, so I allowed it to sit for at least 10 minutes, according to the directions, before rinsing everything thoroughly. This step made a huge difference. You can really see how much dirt and buildup had accumulated over time. A clean surface is one of the most important parts of getting good paint adhesion and a long-lasting finish. Now it's time for the fun part, the paint. For this project, I'm using Valspar anti-skid porch, floor, and patio paint in a light gray color. I chose this paint because it provides a textured, anti-slip finish, which is important for outdoor surfaces that can become wet from rain or morning dew. Before painting, I gave the paint a good stir and set up my roller with extension pole and paint tray. Again, pacing is key for me. Instead of trying to paint the entire porch in one session, I break projects into manageable sections and take breaks whenever I need them. Listening to your body isn't being lazy, it's being smart. As I rode on the first coat, the transformation started immediately. The fresh gray color brightened the entire porch and gave it a clean, updated appearance. I worked carefully around the edges and made sure to keep an even coat across the boards. One thing I've learned while living with heart disease is that home projects don't have to be completed quickly to be successful. There was definitely a point where I needed to stop and rest for a while. A few years ago, I probably would have pushed through, but now I understand how important it is to respect my limitations and listen to my body. Taking care of my health always comes before finishing a project. And honestly, the porch isn't going anywhere. After allowing the first coat to dry, I came back and touched up the surface area and any other areas that needed additional coverage. The anti-skid texture creates a durable surface that should hold up well to daily use, muddy shoes, gardening projects, and plenty of porch sitting. And here's the finished result. It came out beautiful. I love it. And I hope you do too. It started as a worn, peeling porch, now has a fresh new look that feels clean, welcoming, and ready for summer. And the best part is that this project was completed using simple supplies and a little patience. Thank you so much for spending the day with me. If you're living with heart disease, heart failure, or any health challenge, I want to encourage you to keep doing the things you enjoy. Just adapt them to your current abilities. Progress doesn't have to be fast to be meaningful. If you enjoyed this porch makeover, be sure to like, subscribe, and follow along for more gardening, home projects, and real life tips for staying active while living with heart disease. Until next time, take care of yourself and keep growing at a pace your heart allows. Bye, friends.